The cycle tool baby necklace helps girls and women to understand how their body works. It has 30 beads that represent the average number of days of the female cycle. The red color symbolizes the menstruation. Yellow represents infertility, symbolizing sand where nothing can grow. And blue represents fertility, like water, which lets plants grow. The necklace has a rubber ring that is moved every day. The color of the beads shows women whether it is an estimated fertile or infertile day. Please note that this tool explains the female cycle and is not a contraceptive method.